So, when we had just entered into this pandemic situation, our first reaction was that how can we overcome this challenge, and how can we ensure that we deliver hygienically clean, rooms to all our guests, and in fact maintain the same hygienically clean environment for our colleagues also. So, we as everyone was investigating more into this, and we first looked out for chemicals which can save us in ensuring that all the surfaces, all the areas, back of the house, both front of the house and back of the house, are disinfected really well, so that there is no trace of this COVID virus left anywhere. So this was our first reaction, and we were trying to list down, jot down each and every step which we can take to ensure that the guest safety is not compromised. Because whenever a guest is stepping into a five-star hotel like ours at Crown Plaza, Gurgaon, we have to ensure that the guest feels safe. He does not have to worry, and we always remember that a hotel is something which is a home away from home. So will he feel as much as safe as he was feeling back in his home? So that was the thought behind, while we just started investing more time into how can we establish our processes well in that direction. One very good learning is that we have gone one step ahead, in making sure that the hotels in all public areas and guest rooms are hygienically clean. Hygienic, and earlier I used to see that most of the products also which used to come, most of the chemicals also which used to come were antibacterial. There were very less chemicals used in hotels which were anti virus chemical. So we have actually educated ourselves in a way that we understand now. Every person would know that okay, germs are something which we neglect, but germs are harmful to your health. So I think this will be a biggest learning, that we have to continue with this will not get dissolved even if COVID goes out of our goes out from our country and from everywhere. So we must continue with this and maintain the same hygiene levels all over. So I think this will be a biggest learning in that way.